we are gonna learn the coffee grinder combination tutorial on YouTube, the full-length version, because it was really hard to break it down into 1 minute. So here is the full version if you guys want to learn more. Let's go. All right, so we are first gonna start with the prerequisites. I don't know what this move is called, but that's the first one. And the second one is a coffee grinder, and we're gonna do it both sides, just in case one of you decides to do it the right side or one of you decides to do it the left side. But here are two angles of it so you guys can get the picture. Then I'm going to show you the full slow motion of this combination. The first move is quite difficult. It gets into a breakdancing vibe, that one of the prerequisites that we just did, coming around, and then the coffee grinder to come out. Honestly, the momentum will help you move around, I promise. Here is the second angle of it to see the foot placements, the hand placements, the prerequisites, and the final push out, which is pretty cool. But now we're gonna do it step by step. Move number 1. You come and take off with your right leg, twist around, and land on your right leg. You missed it? Well, let's see that again. You come up with your right leg, twist, and land on your right leg. And then after that, you switch feet and switch hands. And then you bring it around with the first prerequisite. And then with the left foot, you come around. And as you can see, I lost my balance there in the beginning, but you come around with the coffee grinder. And that's the move. I know it's hard. It took me a while to get it too, but this move is very satisfying once you get it. Take it step by step, watch the video very slow, and when you guys get it, please tag me. I want to see your progress. I want to see you guys do it. If you guys have any questions, leave comments in the comment section. Follow, like, share, subscribe. Support the girl, man. Woo! Peace out. See you in the next video.